I was inspired to create a community garden this year. Just with all the things happening in the world, I really realized, how important it is to be self-sufficient, to grow your own food, to connect with good, like-minded people. And this happened, which is pretty amazing because personally, I don't know too much about gardening. I'm more the nutrition cook. That's more my magic. But I found that, you can bring people together where people have different skills. Some people are good at cooking, others gardening, others art and decoration, and others building. And I found those to be the main skills that are needed. And, people that are focused and connected and productive and united and in harmony, then, this can happen. So if you want to create a garden and you maybe don't even know anything about gardening, but you have those other skills, maybe you can collaborate and team up with people that have other complementary skills and make it happen together. So my personal favorite herb is basil. Basil is it's so good. It's so good on pizzas, on pasta, in salads, make a pesto with it. It's my absolute favorite. I also really love tulsi. So this one's called holy basil, tulsi, and it's an amazing adaptogen, helps your body adapt to stress. And you can even make beautiful teas with these things. Fresh mint, there's been an abundance of tomatoes and fresh herbs and all that. So it's really magical when you're cooking to be able to come out into the garden and pick food that was super fresh. It's full with life force, with energy, with earth energy, and to add that to your meals is just so magical.